As soon as you do that, after that, toe in. So it will grip the tank over here. Yes. Okay? And now just try to move your hip backward.
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now it's almost 8 AM in the morning और मैं हो चुका हूँ काफ़ी लेट. हेलो अशोक भैया, तैयार हो गए आप? बस चलो ठीक है. तो अभी हम लोग सीधा निकल रहे हैं राइड के लिए. तो आज का वीडियो तो बिल्कुल भी देखना मिस मत करना, क्योंकि काफ़ी फ़न होने वाला है, एडवेंचर होने वाला है. जिन लोगों को ऑफ रोडिंग से रिलेटेड चीज़ें सीखनी है, जिन लोगों को ऑफ रोडिंग करनी है, उनके लिए तो ये बहुत बेस्ट वीडियो होने वाला है. क्योंकि इस वीडियो में शाहनवाज सर हमें ट्रेन करने वाला है कि ड्यून्स में, डेजर्ट में बाइक कैसे चलाए. रेडी हो आप?
यस सर.
तो चलो चला रहे हैं.
फोन लेके आ रहा हूँ ऊपर से.
चलो ठीक है, आओ फिर. तो आज बहुत स्पेशल वीडियो है क्योंकि शाहनवाज सर हमें ट्रेनिंग देंगे और ट्रेनिंग बहुत ही शानदार होने वाली है. जस्ट वेट, कॉल आ गया, कॉल अटेंड करता हूँ. रेडी हो सर अमित जी? रेडी हो? तो अब मैं अपने सब्सक्राइबर्स को बता रहा हूँ कि आज तो काफ़ी फ़न होने वाला है. हाँ. जिन लोगों को ऑफ रोडिंग करनी है बाइक पे या मिट्टी पे कैसे बाइक चलानी है, वो सब आज शाहनवाज सर हमें ट्रेन करेंगे. मेरा खुद का लाइफ में फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस होगा. सर आपका भी फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस? फर्स्ट टाइम विद शाहनवाज. एंड मेरा तो वैसे भी डेजर्ट ड्यून्स में फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस होगा ये. तो ये ट्रेल काफ़ी लंबा ट्रेल है, अराउंड 110 किलोमीटर का ट्रेल है, जिसके अंदर लूज सैंड भी होगी, स्टोन्स भी होंगे, सब कुछ होगा. गुड मॉर्निंग मैम. हेलो.
हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग.
ये है आबा मैम, ये दिल्ली से आए हैं, वो अपनी 310 GS लेकर के. और मैडम बाय प्रोफेशन डॉक्टर है और बाय पैशन राइडर.
एक्चुअली 310 GS प्रताप मोटराड ने दिया है.
ओके.
आई ड्राइवर F750 GS.
ओके, बहुत नाइस. में तो ये तो और भी बड़ी बात है. तो
हाँ, जो पिछले 2 महीने से लुटियंस.
तो मैडम को देख करके थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि हाँ, मतलब एक लेडी ड्राइवर होकर के, ये लेडी राइडर होकर के
डेफिनेटली
डेजर्ट्स में राइड करने के लिए आए हैं, तो फिर बहुत बड़ी बात. तो
एंड RF इज अ रियली गुड राइडर.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. चलो मैम, मिलते हैं आपसे. तो आज बाइक भी बहुत बार गिरने वाली है. कम से कम मुझे लगता है 15 से 20 बार तो बाइक गिरेगी, फिर गिरेगी. क्यों अमित जी? ज़्यादा. हाँ, ज़्यादा. तो देखते रहिएगा, काफ़ी फ़न होने वाला है. देखते हैं ट्रेल पूरा कंप्लीट कर पाता हूँ नहीं कर पाता हूँ मैं. अभी यहाँ शाहनवाज सर हमें होटल के अंदर ही जो स्टार्टिंग की ट्रेनिंग होती है, मतलब बाइक के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत कुछ बताएंगे, और फिर बाद में हम लोग राइड कंटिन्यू करेंगे और फिर सीधा निकलेंगे ट्रेल पे.
Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now hold your knee. Forward, backward, push, flex. Turn. Clockwise, counter-clockwise. Rotation. We'll do twists. Shoulders. Forward, backward. Flex. Pull. Feel the flexion forearm. Neck up. Down. Up. Down. How do you ride in sand? मैं यहाँ पे बताऊँगा. Because you should get comfortable of that standing position beforehand. Okay? Not just standing position, but how to steer the motorcycle. Some of you have been through, level 1 or level 2 trainings, but I don't know about others, right? So I can see some places. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मेरे साथ ट्रेनिंग ली हो, किसी और के साथ भी ट्रेनिंग आपने ली हो. If you have done that, it would be a refresher. We'll do that. After that, we'll talk about braking exercise, because braking on sand is important, क्योंकि वहाँ से जानवर भी क्रॉस करते हैं जब आप चला रहे होगे. Okay? There would be fast-paced trails, there would be really slow trails. So I need to talk about all of those safety things first, and then we'll hit the trail. So एक काम करते हैं, let's gear up and let's head towards the parking lot.
चलो बस, अब पार्किंग लॉट में असली परीक्षा होगी. वहाँ देखते हैं क्वालिफाई होते नहीं होते अपन.
Now tell me, what is the correct way to stand and ride?
Depending on the lean angle and depending on the position.
No, regular standing riding.
You need to hold it with your knee.
Okay, hold it with your knee.
Like this. bend your knees.
Okay.
Bend your knees
with
little
your
bit.
Yes.
ankles also.
How do I bend my knees? Forward or here?
Forward.
Yes. So this is what I wanted to discuss. How do you start with this? When you stand on the motorcycle, first come and stand like straight. Okay. That is your knee point. Okay. As soon as you do that, after that, toe in. So it will grip the tank over here.
Yes.
Okay. And now just try to move your hip backwards. This is the right position.
Arms should be like this.
Your back would be straight, your elbows would be out.
Out.
Okay? I don't want anyone riding with the elbows in. Or now you will not be able to maneuver the motorcycle. Elbows out. 1 or 2 fingers on the brake lever, 1 or 2 fingers on the clutch lever. Okay? Why 1 or 2 fingers? This is how you will maintain a consistent throttle. When you are riding on sand, you cannot give lots of gas and you cannot chop the throttle. You have to ride at a consistent, positive throttle. What did I say?
Consistent.
Yeah, what does it mean? The throttle is consistently positive. You can have a consistent negative throttle as well. Right?
Right.
But consistent positive means it is always on. Okay?
Okay.
Then you come over here, elbows out. I don't want anyone riding like this with fear.
Yeah, that's me.
Elbows out. Elbows out. This is the commanding. This is called the attack position. Okay? Elbows out.
Kabaddi style.
Kabaddi style, yes? Look at my hip. It's still at the back. Right? You are just above your tank. On any motorcycle is the same. It's just above the tank. Okay? I usually ride with 1 finger on the brake and clutch lever. 1 finger is enough. This gives you more control on the handlebar. But you are not gripping the handlebar. You are gripping the motorcycle from here. Okay? So now you are approaching sand. What would be your body position now?
Shift back.
Slightly backwards.
Slightly back.
Slightly back.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now I moved back. What has happened?
CG will
Right.
shift.
Behind.
Yes, the rear tire has more grip. Right?
Okay.
What it does is that on sand, sand riding is almost like jet ski.
Yeah.
Jet ski on water.
Okay.
If you give less throttle, the jet ski would go like this. But if you keep the throttle on, the jet ski floats over the water.
Okay.
Okay? Which is why while you are riding on sand, you will always keep the body weight slightly behind, depending on the kind of sand. If it is loose sand, you will go even further behind. If it is regular, you can come over here as well. Okay? Your body movement will always happen like this. But what it does is that when you move back, the throttle goes on. When you move forward, the throttle chops, which is why 1 or 2 fingers on the handlebar consistently. Vision के ऊपर में आप focus करोगे तो हमेशा गड़बड़ होएगी. Keep your chin up. It automatically pushes you to look forward. So what will you do? Chin up. Chin up. Your body, because it is like this, it will come to its natural position like this. Okay? Chin up. थोड़ा सा आपको लगेगा कि it is spraining your neck. That means your shoulders are tight.
Right.
Okay? So relax and chin up. Cool?
Good.
Now, when we come into the sand, there are 2 very important things. Okay? You can get stuck.
Okay.
You can fall as well. Everyone falls. But the fall is, I would say, graceful. It's a tip over. It is more like how you are landing on a soft cushion. Sand doesn't hurt you that much. Okay, unless you get thrown off the motorcycle at really high speed from the top. Don't consider sand riding like the guys who ride on Dakar. Their motorcycles are different. Please remember, oh, motorcycles are different. Those riders are racing. You're not racing, you're there enjoying. These motorcycles are heavy. Okay, some of you are having road tires. Okay, so please remember, you're not racing over there. In case someone in front of you falls, what will you do?
Stop.
Get off, pick up the brake.
So what we'll all aim to do is, if we have stopped, because we have stopped, we will, and whoever is behind, they will come forward and help. Because एक बंदा अगर उठाता रहेगा, he'll get tired, and then you will start cursing. Right? And it happens.
Yeah.
It's not the problem with that guy. It's the problem that no one else helped him up. So how do you ride in, start off in sand is second gear. And why second gear?
So you can shift down if you want?
No.
Okay.
Because when you are in first gear,
Hmm.
when the motorcycle starts moving, you will have to shift to second.
Yeah.
At that point of time, the front will wallow down.
Oh, okay. Right.
So you start in second. Remember, on sand, no clutch.
Okay.
On sand, when the motorcycle is in momentum, no clutch.
Okay.
I've seen many people burn their clutch because half clutch they ride. Okay? If you're riding slow, doing maneuvers, because the RPM is low, then you can do that. But if the RPM is up, no clutch at all. Okay?
Okay.
And then, how to stop? What is the body position that you will use?
Shift back
Yes, shift back.
and sit down.
What would be the first thing after that you'll do?
Oh, you have to make sure you don't put your foot down.
Stop.
Yes, first thing is not putting your foot down. And then apply the rear brake
Yeah.
first.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Remember, the rear brake is for slowing down.
Okay.
The front brake is for stopping.
Okay.
Okay? So you slow down with your rear brake. The rear brake will carry sand with it. It will slow you down. Okay?
Okay.
And because you are behind, you are like this, you will slow down.
Okay.
The motorcycle will not weave like on gravel.
Okay.
Okay? And then your front brake would actually stop you. Then you apply the front brake when you feel that you are in control. Okay? We'll do this over there as well, but I'm telling you over here because as soon as we enter the trail, I think everyone will feel कि साफ gas दो, right? Remember, take it slow, gradually. I have seen many times, पहले ही देखा और पहले में ही ढेर. Many times. Okay? So take it slow, absorb it. Feel the sand in the first 2-3 kilometers. Understand how your motorcycle is behaving. So we'll go at the trail, we'll lower down the air pressure. Okay? We'll lower it to 15 to 25 depending on the motorcycle. Okay? Because you will be also coming back on the road. Alloy motorcycles, how many?
Yeah,
One, two, three. 3 motorcycles. You will not go below 20.
Okay.
Okay? Don't worry, your tires are fine, absolutely fine.
Okay.
I have the compressor, so.
हाँ वो compressor की अभी जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. No, so this is what I'm telling you. Learn how to lower your pressure down.
Okay.
Your stock running condition, the tire comes at 35, 42,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You use a rule of thumb of 10 seconds. Press the nozzle for 10 seconds. Roughly 10 psi goes down.
Okay.
Roughly. It might be because of extra pressure, it will go to 12. Less pressure, it will go down to 8. Right? That's the rough estimate.
And that
So-
goes.
and that works. Okay? When you are on the sand, on the GSS, you will see lower tire pressure. Sorry, the 1250s or the 1200, the lower tire pressure indicator would start popping up. Don't worry. Okay? So that's fine. Your tire will not get out of the structure zone.
Enduro mode and previous.
हाँ, so अभी I'm coming to that. When you are riding primarily on Enduro Pro mode. But when you are on soft sand, you need no traction control. So you switch off traction control. How do you switch off traction control?
2 seconds up.
Yes. 2 seconds of traction control or the ABS button. Over here, left hand side, second button. Just above this one. You will see arrow which is facing towards the right hand side, it will be on the right hand side. Okay, if it is on, that means the traction control is off. If it is blinking, that means the traction control is on and working. Okay, one more very important thing for the 1250 riders and the 1200 riders, your motorcycle comes with part integral braking system, which means you can still use the front brake to slow down and stop. Okay, that's just a benefit. But remember, if you'll not move your body behind, cool? I don't want to do over there, otherwise under the sun it's going to be really hot. Okay?
मेरे को लगता है मैं तो यहीं गिर जाऊंगा, चलाना तो दूर की बात, बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट होने वाला है ये चीज़।
पहले लेफ्ट लेग रखोगे आप, अभी रखो, नहीं गिरेगी। डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ फॉलिंग। लेफ्ट लेग रखो, लुक अहेड, गिव हल्का सा गैस एंड रिलीज क्लच एंड स्टैंड अप। चलो, लुक अहेड। ना।
ओके, कर लिया भाई। थोड़ा डर लगा गाइस करने में पहली बार, लेकिन अब इजीली हो रहा है, बहुत इजी है। बस आपके मन में डर होता है और कुछ नहीं। डर के आगे जीत है। इजी है ये तो, पहले हार्ड लग रहा था। हाँ भाई, अमित जी भी गिरे। हाँ भाई, वाह, it's easy now। अब हम निकल रहे हैं सीधा ट्रेल के लिए। पहले कराएंगे फ्यूल अप और उसके बाद सीधा ट्रेल पे चलेंगे। बच गया भाई, बच गया। ना, मिट्टी में बढ़ दिया सर, मिट्टी में इतना थ्रोटल नहीं। पहले रिलैक्स, सांस लो, उसके बाद खाना।
अभी तो आधे का आधा भी नहीं हुआ, 20 किलोमीटर करा, अभी तो 80 किलोमीटर बाकी है। उसमें
ये साइलेंसर यहाँ से टूट चुका है और ये पूरा बैंड हो चुका है इसके से।
इसका मतलब अभी तक सिर्फ ट्रेलर था।
अभी तो जो भी रास्ता,
ट्रेलर नहीं, टीजर
अच्छा,
छोटा होता है ना।
अच्छा टीजर था ये।
टीजर है।
अभी मतलब आगे और ज्यादा
अभी ट्रेलर आएंगे, चल अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त।